Alright, good day student. You are required to find the smallest value of x and y in these two numbers if the digit number is divisible by 8 and the 9 respectively. That is, here this number is divisible by 8 and this number is divisible by 9. You are required to find the value of x and the y respectively. So the first thing you have to know is to know the rules for divisibility by 8. So for a number to be divisible by 8, the last three digits must be divisible by 8. So this number 194 S52. So how do we get the x? So the first thing is to begin by this integer. We can say let x be 0 1 0 1 2 0 1 2 3 and so on. So if you put 0 here, that means 52 0 divided by 8. 52 divided by 8? No, 52 cannot divided by 8, so it will give us a remainder. Therefore 0 is not the smallest. The next is 1, so let x be equals to 1. Now I have 152 divided by 8. Let's try it. 15 divided by 8 will give us 1, remainder 7. So 72, you put 7 here. 72 divided by 8 will give us 9. So s is equals to 1. You see how we solve it? In this case, s is equals to 1 because it is the smallest value of number that can divide, that can take the place of x, so that this number will be divisible by 8 based on the condition of divisibility by 8, that the last three digit of the given number must be divisible by 8. So in this case, s is equals to 1. So we have that s is equals to 1. Now let's solve the second one for y. So we know that for a number to be divisible by 9, the sum of the digit must be divisible by 9. You have to sum the digit. If you sum the digit, if the digit is divisible by 9, the number will be divisible by 9. Sum of the digits must be divisible by 9 for a given number to be divisible by 9. So in this case, you bring this number 172y1. So summing the digits, have 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 1. You can write y. So if you sum the digit, you have 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus y plus 1. So this gives us, this is 10, 11 plus y. So what number can y represent? The smallest number, so that this number will be divisible by 9. After 9, another multiples of 9 is 18. So let this total be equal to 18, which is another multiples of 9. In this case, you have y to be equal to 18 minus 11, and that gives us 7. So y is 7. Y must be equal to 7 for this number to be divisible by 9. You see the number for this number here, because based on the condition of divisibility by 9, if I sum the digit and if it's divisible by 9, so the number is divisible by 9. So put 7 here. You have, once you put 7 there, what you have 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 1. In terms of y, put 7. So 1 plus 7 give us 8, plus 2 will give us 10, plus 8 will give us 18. So in this case, the number can now be divisible by 9. You can test it. So if x is equals to 1, as we have done, and y is equals to 7, we can still test it to see actually if this is the correct answer. So using division method, because once you you know that a number is divisible by 9 or 8, you can do the division to be sure. So from here we have 194 s is 1152 divided by 8. So let's start from there. We start from here. 19 divided by 8 will give us what? Will give us 2. There are 2 16 here. Remember what? Remember 3. You carry that 3, you put it here into 34, will give us 4, that is 32. Remember 2. You put it 2 into 1 here, they give us another 2, that is 16. Remember 5 into 55 will give us 48, which is 6. 55, 48, remember 7. You put that 7 here into 72 will give us 9. So dividing 194,152 by 8 will give us this value. So the number given to us is divisible by 8 if s is equals to 1. So our answer here is correct. Let's test for the second one to make sure it is our answer is 7 if it is divisible by 9. So we have 172, as we say that y is 71 divided by 9. So 17 divided by 9 will give us 1. Carry what? Carry 8 into 82 will give us 9, that is 81. Carry 1 into 17 will give us what? Into 17 will give us 1. Carry what? 8. How many 9s are in 17? 1. Remember 8. You put that 8 here, that gives us 81. 81 divided by 9 will give us 9. So y is correct, s is correct. So our values of x is 1 and our values of y is 7. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button whenever I have new update. Click the subscribe button to encourage me to bring more videos for your views. Like and share, and then so that others will be aware of these videos that I'm giving to you freely. And as well, click the notification button whenever there is new update. You will be the first person to watch the video. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.